There's a proper way to pick up a motorcycle from its side, and we'd like to demonstrate that. So Eric's demonstrating what it takes to pick an 800-pound motorcycle off its side, and he weighs about 150 pounds. Notice his hands on the handlebar and on the back area by the seat. Leverage using just his legs, not his back, to pick up the bike. Once again, not an easy chore, but certainly he's capable of picking the bike off its side by himself. So in conclusion, there is an opportunity here to figure out how to pick up a motorcycle off its side without injuring yourself and being able to ride on it.